If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Coinbase, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. It's important to act quickly, as pending transactions can sometimes finalize unexpectedly. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Access your Coinbase account by entering your email and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Activity tab. Once logged in, find the Activity tab on the main dashboard. This section displays all your recent transactions, including pending ones. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. Scroll through your activity list to find the transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are usually marked clearly, so they should be easy to identify. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the pending transaction to view more details. This will open a new window with information about the transaction, including the amount and status. Step 5. Click on Cancel. If the option is available, click the Cancel button. Confirm your choice when prompted. If the transaction is successfully cancelled, you will receive a notification. Once you have followed these steps, check your activity feed to ensure the transaction has been cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for assistance.